Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card I see for you is 9 of Swords, 10 of Wands, and 8 of Cups. Person B here has the Tower card, the Queen of Pentacles, and we have the Fool card. Now bottom of the deck I have the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. This could mean that either you or your person could be dealing with an Aquarius, or you may also feel that this person is your wish fulfillment, because that's the energy of the Star card. Now for person A, which is your energy, okay, you have 9 of Swords. This means that you are stressed, you have a lot of anxiety. There is something which is causing you a lot of stress and anxiety. You're not able to sleep at night. The second card for you is 10 of Wands, which means you're stressed, exhausted. You may also feel as if this is causing you a lot of burden, okay, and it causes a lot of stress to you. You have ultimately decided that you will walk away from this situation. So again, this is not for all of you, but for some of you, you may walk away from this relationship if it's kind of a burden and it's causing you a lot of stress, or if there is something which is causing you stress and it's not this relationship, but the relationship is getting impacted because of that, you will walk away from that situation. Now for person B here, the first card is Tower card, which means that there's an unexpected shakeup that is going to happen in this relationship. This particular shakeup could be anything, okay. This could be a shakeup which means that the foundation of this relationship is not built on a very stable foundation. It needs to be built again, and that's why this shakeup will happen. The second card is Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles means that there is something with regards to finances that will play a major role. It could also mean that this person is doing really well for themselves, okay, and they are enjoying all the luxuries of life. The third card here is the Fool card, which is Aries energy. Now this person could be dealing with an Aries, or they could be an Aries themselves. With the Fool energy, it means that they will take a big leap of faith and march forward in a totally different direction, or they will take a leap of faith and do something in this relationship that they have not discussed with you. Now with this, let's also quickly see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is Lovers card, the World card, and 10 of Pentacles. Lovers card is Gemini energy. It means that both of you have an emotional connection with each other. The second card is the World card. It means that there's something that needs to end. The old chapter needs to end, only then the new chapter will begin. And the third card being the 10 of Pentacles, it means that everything in your life is in place, okay. Which means that your family life, your finances, your career, everything is going to get in its own place and it will be stable. You just need to be a little more patient while going ahead and dealing with this situation. Now with this, let's also quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message I see here is bring love into the situation. This means that both of you need to bring in a little more love and affection for each other. And with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and crystal that can help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugilite. The crystal messages: are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab onto a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box for all of you, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.